cloud to deliver healthcare in new ways. One of these customers is Philips, and it's my great privilege to welcome Alpna Doshi, Group Chief Information Officer of Philips, to Google Cloud Next. Alpna?
How are you, Thomas?
Thank you for coming. It's wonderful to have you. Tell us about the work that Philips is doing globally in healthcare.
Absolutely. First of all, what a pleasure to hear about Ethnos. You kept it as a well-preserved secret, so huge congratulations.
Thank you.
That was music to my ears. At Philips, our mission and vision is to make sure that we improve the lives of 3 billion people per year by 2030. And it's a target that we want to achieve with help of course, partners like Google and many of the other partners that you have also mentioned. And indeed, when you look at the trends in the healthcare technology sector, then it is about digitalization to begin with. The customer centricity is very, very important. You need to know the patients. You need to know the doctors, the clinicians. So that is an important aspect in the healthcare industry. And we are facing all of these challenges in this industry while the transformation in technology around us by the worldwide industrial, industry, IoT devices, machine learning, and AI are coming up right behind us, right? So for us, it is important to meet that quadruple aim, which is patient care, better health outcomes, and all the related aspects where cost of giving healthcare services should be affordable.
How do you see delivering patient care to billions of people, and how does cloud technology really help you to deliver to that last mile to that patient?
Absolutely. I mean, if I look back, we are a 127-year-old company, and I'm sure there are many enterprises of that nature. So when I see Google, for example, I mean, I'm probably the next generation CIO, next, right? So when I look at it, in Philips, we have our strategy is to have the digital transformation for the legacy landscape. Now, what we have already done is taken 2,000 applications and put them on the cloud. Now, these were initially tier 2 applications. Now, where we want to focus on, and what I believe this morning I heard from Sundar, Jennifer, and you also mentioning about it, is the whole aspect of not only hybrid cloud, but also cybersecurity plays a big role. And so what is running in my mind right now is tier 1. We talk about the ERPs, the SAP, basis which all of our large company in the healthcare domain is working. To us, quality, availability, and security are probably the most important 3 criteria. And that's where I look at cloud playing a huge role, because we can't live with the legacy data centers where service assurance is a pain. You need to move to cloud, on demand, quick, and make it happen.
Where do you see AI and ML helping you in your transformation?
Well, what I notice is that AI allows the thinking and analysis, decision making to be quite different than what us are capable of without the machine learning and AI capabilities. So to us, when we are doing these non-invasive procedures in the clinics, then all of the data sets that we can have as a reference on which machine learning and all of these data being loaded up in the cloud, and then machine learning and AI algorithms being applied for better decision insights to the doctors, physicians, etc. So even as a patient, you're well informed of what is going on. The self-care becomes possible. So to us, in fact, the aspect that Google is indeed looking at cloud and a combination of machine learning and AI is actually really good, because that gives us a way not only to learn from you all and depend on you all, but also allow for our quadruple aim, as I mentioned, to happen.
Thank you, Alpna, for your amazing mission as Philips and for your partnership with us to serve people around the world with better healthcare.
Thank
Thank
you
you very
very
much.
much.
Thank you for coming.